Florida's midterm primary just a day away, but now a local lawmaker is reacting to the arrest of nearly 24 felons accused of illegally voting in the 2020 election. It comes after Governor DeSantis announced the arrest last week. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us. I'm Bridget Ellison.
And I'm Justin Wormuth. So Governor DeSantis says the 20 suspects were convicted of murder or sexual assault, including 4 people from Orange County. That means they are not covered under Amendment 4, which automatically restored voting rights for most felons who complete their sentences. Now, Senator Randolph Bracy is blasting the governor, saying the state is responsible for making sure people are registered to vote and they're eligible, and not the people who were arrested. News 6's Mark Lehman is following the latest.
A lot of reactions have been coming in following the announcement of those arrests last week. One local lawmaker now says he fears it will lead to voter suppression and is working to offer more clarity on the restoration of voting rights for some felons.
We just don't want people to be intimidated.
State Senator Randolph Bracy holding a news conference this morning to denounce the first arrests to come from Florida's new election crimes office. Bracy, who's also running for Congress, says he's offering his office as a resource to help convicted felons determine if they're allowed to vote.
We're here to help people find out what their fines and fees are so that there won't be another situation like this.
The remarks coming after Governor DeSantis announced last week that 20 people are facing charges, including 4 from Orange County. The governor saying they all cast ballots in the 2020 election, even though they were convicted of crimes like murder or sexual assault and are ineligible for having their ability to vote restored.
They did not get their rights restored, and yet they went ahead and voted anyways. That is against the law.
Some voting rights advocates have said it's the state that made the mistake by allowing them to register in the first place.
If they're not making that determination, they can't cover that up by just going after citizens.
Governor DeSantis also says that investigations are underway to find illegal immigrants who voted and people voting in multiple jurisdictions. The Orange County Supervisor of Elections, meanwhile, says his office removes a person from the voter roll if they receive documentation from the state.
The Department of State is responsible for comparing the voter file to records that are accumulated through the court system and all, and then send us packets on the individuals.
In Orange County, Mark Lehman, Getting Results, News 6.